Alright guys, just finished a video where I washed my car and I showed you guys how to do a pretty fast wash without getting water spots or getting the least amount of water spots and the things that I try to do. So today, I also need to clean the interior. It's been a long time since I washed that car and I haven't cleaned the interior in a long time. The dogs have been in there, there's drool, there's dirt. It needs to be vacuumed. And I'm gonna take you guys to a different location. I'm gonna bring these few products here. I've got about 3 towels here. You can bring a couple extra if you want. I've got 2 glass towels, 1 regular towel. I'm gonna grab 1 more towel just in case. I've got my new Auto Forge McKee's 37 detailing mats. I am going to bring both of them. And I've got 2 products I'm gonna bring. One is Fast Interior Detailer. This is going to be a quick job. So all I'm going to do is use the Fast Interior Detailer. Does a fast cleaning, wipe down, excellent product, smells fantastic. And I'm gonna bring the McKee's 37 Crystal Vision. I have been using these. They make a bunch of different glass cleaners. This one foams and it does a phenomenal job on glass mirrors, etc. I got my little flex bag here that I'm going to put all my stuff in and put it in the car, and we're gonna go to the vacuums. So let's do it. Hit that like and subscribe. I'll show you how this works. All right, guys, I'm at the vacuum cleaner place. They have their own little car wash, but they got free vacuums. So the first thing we're gonna do is pull up and empty everything out of the car so nothing's in the way so we can vacuum. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I got 2 mats here. I'm gonna put 1 on this side, I'm gonna put 1 on the other way. That way I can move them front to back. These are the Auto Forge knee mats. Oh, these work so good. They feel great. Your knees are right down on the floor. You know, it hurts my back to lean over and stand up and do this. Guys, I can't tell you how good these mats are. They just feel fantastic. My back is supported. I'm laying down here. Very, very happy. Most of the time I'd be standing up and it's a lot of pressure on my back. Very cool. I just want to let you guys know, I've really not used too many knee mats. I've had some real small ones that are kind of a pain in the butt, but these are nice and big. They make 2 different sizes over at autoforge.net, and these are just working fantastic. So comfortable, so good on my knees. I'm putting my knees down on hot floor. It's like 86 degrees, 87 degrees right now. And I wouldn't normally be able to do this. I'd be leaning over, laying inside the car in a weird position. Right now I can get perfect stability, great support, and it's just outstanding. All right, guys, once again, we're done vacuuming. We've got the McKee's 37 Fast Interior Detailer. Normally I'd have to sit on here and it doesn't really, the steering wheel's hitting my back, everything. This way I got my knees on the floor, the mat is there, works really, really well. I can go ahead and just have my back supported. Get in a better position to clean a little better, wipe everything down. Just works better, guys. Guys, the McKee's 37 Fast Interior Detailer works all over the place. Your leather, your seats, your door panels, and all you're really doing is spraying, wiping, and moving on. Now everyone at the gas station here is looking at me, wondering what is this guy doing? Well, I'm cleaning my car. Alright guys, last but not least, we got the Crystal Vision. I'm gonna spray it on, get some foam going. These are those Rag Company gauntlet towels. Yeah, AutoForge.net sells those too. Right in the sun, no problem. Alright guys, we're all done. We've cleaned it up, we vacuumed, we did our interior, fast interior detailer, and so there's the fast interior detailer, and we used the Crystal Vision on the glass. The car looks fantastic, super easy. These mats over here are amazing for your knees. I'm so happy, my knees, no problem. You know, it's hot over here. That concrete's super hot. This cushioned them. I was able to move them around real simple. Love it, guys, love it. So let me show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so that's a real live video on location at the car wash, vacuums. How easy it is to do your interior and not hurt your knees, not hurt your back. You got the right products, got the right tools to help you. You guys can find these things at autoforge.net. Go check them out. Very cool shop. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.